Our course, so sweet and bitter, has lost its art, blood glitter. It remains afloat on the waves. When anger fills our sail, bitterness for the space of a second, you prayed and feared, beckoned. Now your heart is bounding away, just like mine. Should I accept this out of kindness? Should I reject the tide of shines? Your sleeve is stacked by dreams, just like mine. Should I accept this out of kindness?